This refers to the cash bonuses SoFi offers for opening new accounts like checking and savings and meeting certain requirements, often tied to direct deposit. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Look for the latest promotion on the SoFi website or app homepage. They often change. A common offer is, earn $300 when you set up direct deposit. You must open a new account and have qualifying direct deposits totaling a certain amount within a specified time frame. The terms are always clearly listed. Follow them exactly, and the bonus will be deposited into your new account. My crucial pro tip: read the fine print on qualifying direct deposit. Not all electronic deposits count. Typically, it needs to be from an employer, payroll provider, or benefits agency. Transfers from other banks or apps like Venmo usually do not qualify. Confirm what counts before you switch your deposit. Start your SoFi relationship with a cash bonus in your pocket. What's the best bank account bonus you've ever successfully claimed? For more guides on banking promotions, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.